Okay, so this is like this is like the fifth snow
we literally
storm
just,
of the year.
just went outside.
And look, it looks so much like a blizzard, but it looks so fake. It's like sort of sticking. It's sticking to the grass over there. It's sort of sticking to the roof.
It's kind of crappy on camera, but if you were here in real life,
it's sticking to that roof. My camera's blurry. Sticking to that kind of. It looks so cool.
It looks awesome.
It looks like a blizzard. Maybe we're getting blizzard from Chicago. They're in a blizzard right now. All that white dots is snow. It looks so cool.
It looks like God's dandruff. If you zoom in, it makes it better.
I know. Look, it's sticking to the.
Yeah.
It's kind of melting, but look, it's sticking right there.
It's only because we're stepping on it. But this is awesome right now.
Wait. It's sticking up there.
It's awesome. You wanna go? Let's go mob inside for me.
You want to go ride our bikes? If it was sticking, I would definitely go ride my bike.
You want to?
Let's wait. Wait, what time is it? It's 2:30.
What? It's 2:30.
2:30. How about once it starts to stick a little bit to the
Oh yeah, we're watching the show.
the cement. Oh, it's called Happy Tree Friends. You guys should watch it. Okay.
It's called Happy Tree Friends. It's so violent. It's like when you first video, it looks so like a little kid thing.
Look it up on Netflix or YouTube. It looks like a little kid show.
But then now it's just like violent and has like guns and knives in it and stuff and like killing. Here,
so just look it
I'll
up.
show you.
Look it up on YouTube or Netflix, and it's Happy Tree Friends. Watch whatever episode you want, just watch it, and just make sure
we're mobbing at my house.
Just make sure you're not a little kid, because it's not for
don't
little
let
kids.
Like little brothers or anything watch it.
Oh yeah, just make sure you're over like, what's a violent age? Make sure you're over like
10.
A year that your parents don't care that you watch violent stuff.
Yeah, make sure you're like 10, like my age and his age, like 10 or 12.
Just
If you didn't know, well, first subscribe and like this video, please. But still, if you don't know, me and Andrew are soon to be stepbrothers.
It's like starting to slow down now.
Calming down right now.
Oh, it's wet. That's what she said. Okay.
My house right now.
Yeah.
It's starting to kick up now.
I'm gonna exercise.
Exercise, honey. Exercise.
See how fast I can go.
This is so violent.
15, 22, 23, 24, 25.
Okay, should we play some Happy Tree Friends with them?
I got it to 25, I promise.
Want to play some Happy Tree Friends?
Yeah.